chord is music. In this video I will be sharing with you all you need to know about chords and music. Welcome to Music Theorist, an online music education center for learning music theory, music practicals, performances, professional music theory and practical examinations. For more videos as this, please subscribe to our channel by clicking on the description below and also the notification button. Notes in music can be played individually or simultaneously, either in groups of 2, 3 or more. These groups of notes played together are called chords in music. In music, a chord is a combination of 2 or more notes played together or heard as if sounding simultaneously. For example, if someone should place the hands on any instruments like the piano, guitar, and organ and plays more than one notes together, it would be called a chord. Chords can add harmony, texture and rhythm to melodies. The most common chords are the triads chords consisting of 3 distinct notes, the root note, the third and fifth above from the root. There are different types of chords, some are 2 notes chord, some 3 notes chords and some more. Some chords are broken, arpeggio, while some are in blocks with different sounding, feelings and structure. Types of chords in music. Most popular types of chords are major chord, minor chord, diminished chord, augmented chord, suspended chord, 7th chord, extended chord. Most common types of chords in music. In musical performance, chords are played in sequence. A sequence of chords is known as a chord progression or harmonic progression. In this post, we will treat the 4 most common and basic chords, namely the major, minor, augmented and diminished triad chords. A triad is a 3 notes chord. Major chords. A major chord consists of a root note, first, a major third, plus 4 semitones, and a perfect fifth, plus 7 semitones. C major, for example, C, E, G. C will be the root note, count up 4 semitones to the major third. This is an E, then count up 7 semitones from C, or 3 semitones from E, to G, which will be the fifth. Minor chords. A minor chord consists of a root note, first, a minor third, plus 3 semitones, and a perfect fifth, plus 7 semitones. C minor, for example, C, F, G. C will be the root note, count up 3 semitones to the minor third. This is an Eb/D hash, then count up 7 semitones from C, or 4 semitones from Eb/D hash, to G, which will be fifth. The main difference between the major and minor chord is their third. Diminished chords. A diminished chord consists of a root note, first, a minor third, plus 3 semitones, and a diminished, flat fifth, plus 6 semitones. C diminished, for example, C, F, G, B. C will be the root note, count up 3 semitones to minor third. This is an Eb/D hash. Then count up 6 semitones from C, or 3 semitones from Eb/D hash, to GB/F hash, which will be a diminished, flat fifth. Augmented chord. An augmented chord consists of a root note, first, a major third, plus 4 semitones, and an augmented fifth, plus 8 semitones. This chord is a major chord with the top note raised 1 semitone. C augmented, for example, C, F, G hash. C will be the root note, count up 4 semitones to the major third. This is E. Then count up 8 semitones, or 4 semitones up from E, to G hash, which is the augmented fifth. In conclusion, chords in music is the basic element of harmony. It is the combination of 2 or more notes. Monophonic instruments like flute, trumpet, cannot play block chords but plays arpeggio, broken chords. There are far more chords than just these described in this article, but these are the most common and basic in music theory and practical.